Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Breezy. Back with another video for you. This should be a nice, easy, short one. Show you guys how to clean a carburetor on a Briggs Stratton Quantum on a Toro personal pace lawnmower. Should be nice and easy. That way you guys can do it at home. Before this video gets started, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Always helps out the channel. Let's get started getting this thing running. Alright, so we already got it up on the lift. What we're going to do is start out by taking the air filter cover off here. This is going to be the only bolt. It is a 5/16, or you can use a straight head. Take that out. Let's check the filter. Filter's going to be replaced. The customer does want a tune-up, which got a brand new filter right there. And then I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, there's one bolt here, here, and here. These three bolts here will take that plate off. Now this cover should come with it, should just pop right off of there. It actually just hooks on right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean around this carburetor so that when we do take the bowl off, a bunch of crud doesn't fall down. One thing you always want to make sure also is that your choke is moving nice and free, which this one is. These are a spring-loaded choke that when the fan or the flywheel gets spinning, this will blow this out, which will then take off the choke. All right, so we're gonna get this all sprayed down. This just makes it so that when you take the bowl off and put it back together, that this will clean up and you're not gonna bring any debris or anything like that back into the carburetor. Now this is a 1/2 inch under here. Just take that loose. Your gas is going to drain out underneath. I do have a pan down here that will catch it. This is old fuel in this lawnmower, that's why we are taking it out. So that little bit of settlement right there can make a carburetor not run correctly. So what we'll do is we'll get that wiped out, get that cleaned up, and we'll put her back together. So what you can do is just take your cleaner, give it a good few sprays. Make sure you clean it all up, make sure it's all clean. And then you can take your rag, give it a good wipe out, and you always want to make sure you get this ridge right here because that's what's going to seal. If you don't get that good, it will more than likely leak. Alright, so another thing you should do too is, see this here, you want it, this is what brings the gas into the carburetor. Just give that a good spray out. You can kind of see, I don't know if you guys can see too well, but you can kind of see it bubbling through the top there. That's what you want to see because that means it is flowing. So let's get that bowl back on there. Now I did make sure my gasket did not fall. If your gasket does fall a lot of times, you just need to replace it. All right, we got that snugged up there. You don't need to go too tight, that's just brass. I've seen a lot of people break them off. Alright, so what we'll do now is we will get the air cleaner box back on. Now I'm just going to take that top cover off real quick just so it's a little bit easier to put on. Set that off to the side. Now the gasket is on this side here, so that will all line up. Make sure you hook your breather back up. Let's grab our bolts. Always want to start them by hand. At least a couple threads. Now this is something you guys can do in your garage or even in the backyard. It doesn't require a whole lot of tools. And 9 times out of 10 with especially these Briggs Strattons here, you can get the carb clean without taking the carb off. Okay, just give that. I'm not wrenching on it, just get it in there snug. And then we'll take our new filter, which is part number 399959. Is going to be the part number for this engine. Now it does come with a pre-filter, which I believe originally this did not have. Yep, that is correct. This did not have a pre-filter. Make sure that you get this all cleaned out. I'm going to bring you guys back a little bit. Make sure you guys don't have all kinds of debris and things like that in here. This sets right into the corner here, and then when you fold it down, it actually covers kind of these holes down here. So that way, it kind of takes some of the brunt of the dirt and things like that when you're running the mower. Just sits in these 3 little tabs, just like that. Start it by hand. Tighten her down. There we go. I'm gonna get that top piece on and then we're gonna bring it down, get it started. Now let's get this thing to go. Let's try electric start first. I'd say that thing runs good. Well, there you guys have it. We got the Toro carb clean. It is running good. Just kind of wanted to get you guys a short little video for this Thursday. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps out the channel. You guys have a good one. Remember, stay out of trouble, even though it ain't always fun. And we'll see you guys next time.